Hey guys, Michael here. Welcome back to another Apps Every Day, and today we're taking a look at StoryFire. StoryFire hopes to basically be a YouTube competitor where people can create content and get paid for it. Now, there are some great things about this and some very weird things about this and some stuff that I'm still figuring out. So if you guys are a StoryFire expert, I would love to hear what you guys think about this app down below. Now, I recently found out about this from the creator on Twitter announcing that he was leaving his YouTube channel because he's actually making nearly twice as much on here as he is on YouTube. Now, grain of salt with that is that he's the creator of this platform, and we'll get into that in just a minute. When you first bring it up, you are greeted by basically a very much looks like Twitter with a combination of a lot of text as well as some videos and written work. At the top, you can see it currently on social. I can go to video only. And yes, there's even written. You can create series or short stories, anything like that. There is a writing portion to this app as well. Under the menu screen, you can basically see leaderboards. This is where you can see the top creators currently on there, and currently this is for top readers, top creators, top blazers, which is basically Blaze is how you earn money. So people kind of like donate these Blitz things as well as you can earn them or buy them. They're basically just their own currency for this app rather than using an ad-based platform. You use Blaze. Now, currently, the biggest struggle of this app is not everyone can become a video creator. If I hit the little plus with the pencil in the bottom right, I can see that for written, I can create a new series, and I can write, and I can, come up with all that. So you're going to see a ton of written content from other people on this platform. You can create a social post, which is basically something like Instagram or Twitter where you're just posting like a photo or something. But if I go and tap on video, it's going to tell me that it's locked, and basically you have to apply to be a video creator. Now, I've gone through this a couple of weeks ago, basically got no response either way. The same goes with pretty much everyone else. You basically have to submit this entire application of what your plans are to create, and I get it. To store video content costs way more on his server side of things rather than storing like text from, people writing stories and whatnot. So he mentioned that that's his biggest issue, is basically scaling the amount of storage space needed to allow anyone to upload videos. So right now he's basically only allowed his friends and fellow creators to have their own video channels, and it's basically testing that stuff, which I get, that's great, but hopefully they're working very hard on opening up the gates, so to speak, so that other people can get in and start creating, and the more that people can see that they can actually make something of themselves on another platform is why they go there, hence why platforms like TikTok blow up and everything. So if he's too slow to it, then unfortunately I think this app is just going to die away, just like all the other social media platforms that have tried to take over and become the next YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or any of that stuff. So I'm just curious, have you guys checked out StoryFire? Have you gone through it? What do you think about the content that's on here currently? To me, it seems like very beginner type, basically like YouTube 10 years ago in terms of content. There's nothing that I'm super coming back for or would miss if this app ever died out in terms of series and things. So yeah, I would love to hear what you guys think down below. Don't forget to check it out in the description if you want a download link. And don't forget to come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.